What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy, and we are in a factory today and they got a plugged urinal. Okay, see, it's plugged up. I want to show you guys this here. So this spud, if we take this off, we're gonna destroy this spud and we'll have to replace it. Management does not want us to spend any more money than what we have to. So what I'm going to try to do is snaking right down through the hole to clear this out. Most likely the blockage is going to be right here. So let's go take a look and see if we can get it that way, or we may have to get them to spend some money. I'm going to be using the Milwaukee M18. Lighting sucks, sorry. Actually, a little bit better. I love this Milwaukee. It's good for no overspray. Like, the cable may have some water stuck to it, but the actual barrel itself spins internally and doesn't spray when it gets full of water, which is an amazing feature that this machine has. The M18 from Milwaukee. Clean. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys liked the video. Trying to get back into doing the more drain cleaning, not just the whirlpool videos. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot. Try now.